Looking for the best digital cameras in 2024? We got you covered. In this video, we'll review the top 5 digital cameras that offer the best features, performance, and value for photographers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these cameras will help you capture stunning images and videos. Stay tuned to discover which digital camera is the perfect fit for your photography needs. Number 5. The KODAK PIXPRO FZ55BK offers a solid performance for those looking for a budget-friendly, compact digital camera. Featuring a 16MP CMOS sensor and 5x optical zoom with a 28mm wide-angle lens, this camera captures high-quality images and 1080p Full HD videos, making it a decent option for vlogging. The 2.7-inch LCD screen is clear, and the digital image stabilization ensures sharper photos even without a tripod. This camera is compatible with SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, but it requires at least a Class 10 card for optimal performance. While the camera includes a rechargeable Li-ion battery, users have noted the inconvenience of lacking an external charger, meaning the battery can only be charged within the camera unless you purchase an additional charger. User reviews are generally positive, praising the picture quality and ease of use, though some have expressed disappointment with the lack of a physical user manual and the slight delay between shots. Battery life is well regarded, but KODAK's decision to omit an external charger and manual has drawn some criticism. Overall, the PIXPRO FZ55BK is a reliable choice for casual photographers and vloggers, offering great value for its price. But keep in mind the need for additional accessories to enhance convenience. Number 4. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR is an excellent entry-level camera for aspiring photographers, offering impressive specs for its price. Featuring a 24.1MP CMOS sensor and the Digic 4 Plus image processor, it delivers sharp and vibrant images, especially in well-lit conditions. The camera supports RAW format for greater editing flexibility, while built-in Wi-Fi and NFC makes sharing photos a breeze. Paired with the 18 to 55mm kit lens, the T7 provides a good range for portraits and landscapes. Its 9-point AF system ensures accurate focusing, and the optical viewfinder offers 95% viewing coverage. The camera also supports Full HD video recording, making it versatile for vlogging or video projects, although users should note that video recording drains the battery faster than still photography. User reviews highlight its simplicity and effectiveness. Many praise the T7 as an ideal beginner DSLR, easy to handle and perfect for learning manual controls, composition, and editing. Battery life is notable, especially for extended photo sessions, but video users may want to keep an extra battery on hand. While low-light performance could be better without a flash, the camera still produces quality images with post-processing. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a great choice for those entering the world of DSLR photography, offering solid performance, user-friendly features, and versatility. Number 3. The Canon PowerShot G7 by Mark II is a compact, high-performance camera that combines advanced features with ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced photographers. Equipped with a 20.1MP 1-inch CMOS sensor and Digic 7 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality with a wide dynamic range, excellent for both photos and Full HD videos. Its f1.8 aperture at wide angle and f2.8 at full zoom make it great for low-light photography. The 4.2x optical zoom and dynamic image stabilization ensure sharp and smooth images, even when zoomed in. Its tilting 3.0-inch LCD screen, which rotates 180 degrees up and 45 degrees down, makes it easy to capture creative angles and take selfies. The camera's built-in Wi-Fi allows for seamless image sharing, and it's compatible with both RAW and JPEG formats, providing versatility in post-processing. Despite its compact size, the G7X Mark II packs professional-grade performance, making it perfect for travel, vlogging, and everyday use. User reviews highlight its high demand, fast shipping, and excellent image quality. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned photographer, this camera offers a fantastic combination of portability and power, making it a must-have for those looking for premium results in a compact package. Number 2. The Nikon Z8 is a professional-grade full-frame mirrorless camera designed for hybrid stills and video shooting, perfect for photographers and videographers alike. Featuring a 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor and XP7 processing engine, it delivers stunning image quality and exceptional speed. Nikon's most advanced autofocus system uses deep learning technology to detect and track subjects, even in low light, as dim as -9 EV. Whether you're capturing fast-moving wildlife or portraits, the 3D tracking and subject detection system ensures sharp focus. The Z8's video capabilities are equally impressive, offering 8K 60p and 4K 120p video recording, with internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes RAW support for ultimate flexibility in post-production. Photographers can choose from various file formats, including RAW 14-bit, HEIF, and JPEG, to suit their workflow. Users have praised the Z8 for its lightweight yet powerful design, fast continuous shooting options, up to 120 frames per second, and intuitive features like skin softening and improved white balance. However, a common complaint is the lens mounting issue, which led to a recall shortly after its release, a disappointing flaw for an otherwise stellar camera. Overall, the Nikon Z8 is a top-tier choice for professionals seeking high performance in both photography and videography, offering versatility and exceptional image quality. Number 1. The Sony Alpha FX3 ILME FX3 is a powerful full-frame cinema line camera, blending professional-level video capabilities with a compact, user-friendly design. It features a 4K full-frame sensor with over 15 stops of dynamic range, delivering stunning visuals with high sensitivity, perfect for filmmakers seeking cinematic quality. The S-Syntone color profile, inspired by Sony's Venice cameras, ensures a film-like look straight out of the camera, ideal for storytelling projects. The FX3 supports 4K 120p 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, enabling smooth slow-motion footage and providing immense flexibility in post-production. One standout feature is its uninterrupted 4K 60p recording, thanks to the built-in cooling fan that prevents overheating. The camera is also designed for versatility, with XLR audio inputs, 1/4-inch -20 mounting points, and a compact, cage-free body, making it easy to handle on set or in the field. Users rave about the FX3's flexibility, whether for run-and-gun shoots or more elaborate productions. The new menu system and full pixel readout make it faster to navigate and shoot efficiently, while the 10-bit 4:2:2 recording provides exceptional latitude for color grading. Although there have been issues with firmware updates affecting Slog 3 profiles, users remain optimistic that Sony will resolve these concerns. Overall, the FX3 is an excellent choice for videographers looking for a compact, high-performance cinema camera. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best digital cameras of 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which camera impressed you the most. Or if you have any questions, check the description for links to all the cameras we covered. See you in the next video. Happy shooting!